Okay, so I don't know if this is a chemistry or molecular biology question or both, but I am allergic to cats and I have 2 of them. So I feed them this. It is expensive as shit. I was just refilling their bin and I read the packaging and it says that it's just a protein from egg that neutralizes the FeLD1. If I buy powdered egg yolk and put it on some regular ass kibble, is that the same fucking thing?
Hi, I'm Dr. Rubin. I'm a board-certified allergist immunologist, and this person's question is really directed towards my specialty, and it's something I'm happy to go over in deeper detail. If you want to learn more about allergies, asthma, immunology, feel free to hit that follow button to learn more. The protein that the vast majority of people that are allergic to when they're allergic to cats is called FeLD1, which is shorthand for Felis domesticus 1, because it's the first allergenic protein that was discovered that humans could be allergic to. When chickens are exposed to cats on a regular basis, their immune systems produce a protein called immunoglobulin Y, or IgY, which is an antibody. It's like a protein tag that can latch on to FeLD1 cat allergy protein. Avian IgY antibodies are similar to human IgG antibodies in that human IgG antibodies can be passively transferred through the placenta to the developing fetus to help protect young babies for the first 6 months of life. Chickens who produce IgY antibodies can be passively transferred to egg yolk as well. Therefore, if you harvest egg yolk and sprinkle that onto cat food, cats eat that daily, and after about a month, the Purina Live Pro Clear cat allergy food has been shown to reduce that FeLD1 cat allergy protein by about 50%. The big catch, though, is that if you're trying to do a DIY approach to this, you don't know if the egg yolk you're putting onto the cat food actually has been from chickens that have been exposed to cats. So if those chickens were never exposed to cats, then you're not going to have that protective antibody neutralizing the cat allergy protein, and it may not be helpful. So this DIY approach may have mixed results. Let me know if this made sense to you, and if you have questions, leave it in the comments section and follow for more information. Have a great day.